How to incorporate raw garlic into your diet. Adding raw garlic to your daily meals can be delicious and health-boosting. There are numerous practical ways to enjoy this potent ingredient while reaping its impressive benefits. One of the simplest methods is to incorporate raw garlic into salads. Finely minced or grated garlic can elevate the flavor of your favorite greens, adding a zesty kick that pairs well with vinaigrettes. Another great option is to create homemade salad dressings. Combine raw garlic with olive oil, vinegar, and herbs for a flavorful dressing that enhances your salads and boosts health. You can also blend raw garlic into smoothies for an unexpected twist. A small clove can add depth to fruit smoothies, especially with ingredients like spinach or kale. Consuming garlic raw to maximize its health benefits is essential, as cooking can diminish some of its active compounds, particularly allicin. Consider experimenting with different recipes and flavor combinations to make raw garlic more enjoyable. For instance, you can mix minced garlic into guacamole or hummus, or even sprinkle it over roasted vegetables after they come out of the oven. Encouraging creativity in the kitchen is vital to making raw garlic a regular part of your diet. You can discover new and exciting ways to enjoy this superfood while enhancing your health with some experimentation. So, get creative and start incorporating raw garlic into your meals today. Potential side effects and precautions. While raw garlic is celebrated for its numerous health benefits, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects and precautions when incorporating it into your diet. Some individuals may experience digestive issues, such as bloating, gas, or heartburn, particularly when consuming more significant amounts of raw garlic. These symptoms can vary from person to person, so it's wise to start with small quantities and see how your body reacts. Additionally, some people may have allergic reactions to garlic, manifesting as skin rashes, headaches, or gastrointestinal discomfort. Suppose you have a known allergy to other members of the allium family, such as onions or leeks. In that case, exercising caution and consulting a healthcare professional before adding raw garlic to your diet is best. Moderation is vital to enjoying the benefits of raw garlic. While it can be a powerful addition to your meals, consuming excessive amounts may lead to unwanted side effects. Suppose you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications, particularly blood thinners. In that case, it's advisable to consult with your healthcare provider to ensure that raw garlic is safe for you. Overall, raw garlic is generally safe for most people when consumed appropriately. By being mindful of your intake and listening to your body, you can enjoy this remarkable ingredient's health benefits while minimizing potential risks. We explored the remarkable health benefits of raw garlic, highlighting its powerful effects on circulation, thrombosis prevention, and immune support. We learned that raw garlic can enhance blood flow by dilating blood vessels, crucial for maintaining cardiovascular health. Its anticoagulant properties help reduce the risk of thrombosis, making it a valuable addition to your diet for heart health. Additionally, we discussed how raw garlic acts as a natural immunity booster, strengthening your body's defenses against infections and illnesses. Now that you know these incredible benefits, we encourage you to take action by incorporating raw garlic into your daily meals. Whether you add it to salads, dressings, or smoothies, finding creative ways to enjoy this superfood can significantly enhance your overall health and wellness. If you found this video informative and helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Remember to like and share this video with friends and family who might also benefit from the unique properties of raw garlic. Together, we can spread the word about natural ways to improve our health and well-being.